Welcome back to Going Off Grid My Way. I'm out here in the small orchard. I've got around 10 trees planted out here. I'm just out here hooking up a couple 100-watt solar panels and a power inverter. I'm just running it out here and plugging it right into the extension cord I'm using to heat the water in the animal troughs so that they don't freeze. So that'll just help with covering the cost of that. Otherwise we'll have frozen water, which we don't want. So I'll leave it at that. I just wanted to post an update. I know it's been a while. It is 200-watt panels and a 1,000-watt inverter, all MC4 connectors. So we'll be adding more to it soon, in case anybody was wondering. The roof's just about done. I've only got a few panels here to do, and then when the garage gets built over there, the front's all done, the trim's all done, so we'll just have to do a few more panels up there, and then the roof will be done. Chicken coop still the same. Started building a barn out of a bunch of scrap materials, but eventually it'll be re-sided with newer stuff. We've got around 100 chickens right now. Most of them hatched from this year's eggs. There's a couple ducks and 3 goats and a cow, which will be going to the butcher soon. That's all for now. I need to get up to 1,000 subscribers, so please like and share. Thank you.